Hello again, Research Methods. This is the walkthrough for SPSS Lab assignment number 3. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get logged into the virtual lab one more time. So first of all, let's navigate to the assignments. Scroll down to our SPSS assignments, clicking on SPSS Lab number 3. All of the lab assignments have the link to the virtual lab, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go through all the steps to get logged into the virtual lab. I'm not going to explain each step. If you need to do that, you can go back to one of the previous walkthrough videos. So now I am logged into the virtual lab. You can see I've chosen full screen here because you only see one bar at the bottom. You cannot see mine. You only see the virtual lab. So again, we're going to navigate to D2L from within the virtual lab. This is an important step because this is how you're going to be able to access my data set. Okay, so now I'm all logged in to D2L within the virtual lab. So I'm going to, again, navigate back to our assignments, back to SPSS Lab number 3. And so I'm going to go ahead and just click directly on this data set. Then it'll download here and I can click for it to open. Takes a moment for SPSS to open up. Okay, so now I have opened up SPSS from within the virtual lab. And the task for lab assignment number 3 is to compute all 3 measures of central tendency, that's the mean, median, and the mode, for the variable trash litter. So we're within this data set here. I'm going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. And as always, I'm going to hover over here and right-click and say Display Variable Names. And I'm going to scroll down until I find trash litter. I'm going to be using trash litter a lot this semester. That was the most time-consuming variable for my data collection, so we're using it a lot. I counted a lot of trash, man. And then we're going to click on the Statistics button here. Then we can see central tendency options. We want the mean, the median, and the mode. Just those 3 boxes should be checked. And then say continue. And here's where you're going to want to uncheck this display frequency tables box. So I'm going to uncheck that and say okay. And that's it. This is it. So either take a screenshot of this and upload it, or say File, Save As, and go ahead and upload that to D2L. You're done with SPSS Lab assignment number 3. I'll see you in number 4. Let me go back and show you what it would look like if we did not uncheck the display frequency tables. So I'm going to recheck that box and show you what we get. So because a frequency table displays the frequency of each observation, it comes up with this long table for every time I recorded 35 pieces of litter. So apparently 19 times I counted 35 pieces of litter. Let's scroll down and see the most I ever counted. Woo, 350. So as we got higher here, you know what? I bet it's all from one location. I remember that location too. So that's the reason that you want to uncheck the display frequency tables box. But all you need is this first box here. So go ahead and save it and upload it to D2L. We'll see you next time.